All right, Brandon, here we go. 6 and 8. We'll start with 6. How about this? Let's do both in the same video. I don't know. Last two boxes of the case. Come on, man. Something huge. Something juicy. Golden ticket. I'd take it. Oh, you'd take it. Malcolm Mitchell. All right, so both boxes, same vid. Let's see if we can fix it up. Romo and Dez. I would love to compare. I was telling you, Roger and Charlie, they chased a case. And I would love to compare the autos and just see how they compare those, all the weird ones. Lawrence Taylor. First up, Justin Simmons, rookie ticket autograph. Justin Simmons. Kavari Russell, horizontal rookie ticket autograph. Was a Chief, now a Bengal. Bosa and Buckner. And Bosa is your gridiron. Rashard Higgins. Blake Bortles. All right. So this side has the action. Wendell Smallwood to 199, horizontal rookie ticket auto. Playoff, sorry. Playoff ticket. That's pretty sick. It's pretty sick. Yep. 8 of 10, legendary Contenders autograph. Eddie George. 8 of 10, Eddie George. I'd take that over the Goff, I think. So there's your case leader. And Kevin Green. Josh Dotson. Daniel Braverman, rookie ticket auto. So there's what? There's 5 autos. Possibly another one. Shepard and Boyd. Hey, you got another hard sign. Nice. Tyler Irvin. His base one might be a shorty. Rookie ticket auto of Tyler Irvin. Regardless, 2 hard signs plus a legendary to 10. Adrian Peterson. And to 99, Devin Funch's championship ticket. All right. That was definitely the best box, I think, of the case. All right, one more. All right. Box 8. Let's do it. Let's end with some fire. Dwayne Washington, rookie ticket autograph. Archie Manning, legendary. Michael Thomas. The Gurley man, Todd Gurley. What the heck? Hold up. All right, this is weird. What is this? 188 to 199. We had another one. Wendell Smallwood to 199 horizontal playoff ticket. Exact same. They're cornering the market on Wendell. 2 of them. Well, maybe this box, just like the last one, has a nasty legendary. I don't know. Next, to 99 championship ticket, Kevin Biard. All right. What the heck? They're all in a row. Tavon Young, rookie ticket auto. Is that 4? Young, Biard. Yep. 4 so far. Wendell plus those 3. All right. Let's get weird, really weird. Jalen Smith, Miles Jack. To 249, Richard Sherman. Legendary Ozzie Newsome. Number to 99, Kenyon Drake, Rookie of the Year contenders. Hollow gold. Cody Core for the Bengals, rookie tickets. That's 5. Oh, and points, 400. I think did you already have 400 in this case? So you got 800. All right, let's see if we can pull out anything else, any bonus. Ramsey and Apple. Oh, nice. Dak is your digital. All right. All right. Laquan Treadwell. Derek Carr, MVP contenders. Rookie of the Year contenders, Corey Coleman. Tom Brady and Rob Gronkowski. And last pack base, definitely an improvement. There you have it, brother.